Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some beautiful vintage chic farmhouse decor inspiration. Let's start the video. Vintage chic farmhouse decor is a beautiful blend of rustic farmhouse warmth and vintage romantic charm. It combines the coziness of country living with elegant time-worn pieces that tell a story. The look is soft, welcoming, and nostalgic, with touches of old world beauty and modern comfort. Here is a full breakdown of what defines this beloved core style concept. Fantastic farmhouse decor mixes farmhouse elements. Use natural wood, distressed finishes, shiplap walls, and barn doors. Fantastic touches, antique furniture, delicate lace, floral fabrics, crystal candelabras, and ornate mirrors. The result is a home that feels both rustic and refined, cozy yet graceful. Color palette, soft shooting and timeless, whites, creams, and ivory tones. Use soft pastels like blush pink, stress green, and powder blue. These colors create a light, airy, and romantic atmosphere. Key materials and textures ordered oud for tables, beams, and shelves. Oud iron or aged metal accents. Use vintage fabrics like lace, linen, and floral cotton. Chippy paint or distressed finishes on furniture. Use wicker, rattan, and burlap for texture contrast. The goal is to make everything feel aged gracefully, not old, but loved and lived in. Signature furniture and decor features: farmhouse style dining table with mismatched vintage chairs, antique sideboard or distressed dressers, porcelain or enamel features used as flower vases. Use vintage clocks, mirrors, and wall frames. Rustic shelves displayed old books, pottery, and glass jars. Use soft layered linens, ruffled cushions, and crochet drawers. Lighting and ambience. Use soft romantic lighting with a hint of glamour. Candelabras, lanterns, and vintage sconces. Candles and fairy lights to create a cozy, welcoming glow. Decorative touches. Fresh or dried flowers use roses, lavender, and baby's breath. Vintage inspired wall art or botanical prints. Use handmade crochet or lace table runners. Repurposed antique finds like old windows turned into wall decor. Overall mood: fantastic farmhouse decor feels gracefully aged, warmly inviting, feminine yet rustic, peaceful and full of character. It is a style that celebrates the simplicity, nostalgia, and beauty in imperfection. Let's go deeper into vintage farmhouse decor, exploring its essence, history, and styling secrets, so you can truly understand and create his heartwarming look with confidence and elegance. The essence and inspiration: vintage farmhouse decor is inspired by simple country living, blended with the romantic elegance of vintage style. It came from the love of farmhouse practicality, wooden beams, hand-built furniture, and cozy spaces, combined with the charm of vintage femininity. Lace curtains, floral china, and crystal lighting. This decor celebrates heritage and craftsmanship using old pieces that carry stories. A soft romantic beauty layered with textures and time-worn finishes, comfort and warmth. Every corner feels welcoming and lived in. It is a design philosophy that says home is a place of warmth, love, and timeless beauty, not perfection. Deeper look at the color story. The Rustic Farmhouse color palette is essential for achieving that nostalgic cozy feel. Base tones, white, cream, linen, and excel to keep rooms bright. Accent tones, dusty pink, faded blue, shades green or muted gray, metallic hints, antique gold, rust nickel or patinated bronze. The soft, washed out shades evoke ease, comfort and romance, a hallmark of vintage. Signature materials and finishes, the magic lies in texture and patina, surfaces that look like they have aged gracefully over decades. Decorative touches and accents. These finishing details bring the style to life. Floral motifs on cushions, curtains, or wall art. Antique mirrors reflect light and add charm. Vintage ceramics and clusters, perfect for displaying wildflowers or kitchen goods. Handmade items use crochet yarns, embroidered linen, or painted sign. Repurposed finds, like an old ladder used as a blanket rack or window frames turned into wall art. Every item should feel personal, as if it has a story to tell. Atmosphere and lighting. Lighting in this style is soft, glowing, and romantic. Candlelights add elegance and sparkle. Table lamps with fabric shades give warmth. Lanterns, fairy lights, and candles add cozy charm. Use warm, white light bulbs to maintain that inviting, nostalgic glow. The feeling it creates, quaint and child, fantastic Farmhouse Decor makes your home feel cozy yet elegant, romantic yet practical, nostalgic yet fresh. It is a home that feels like a warm embrace, filled with charm, history, and gentle sophistication. The heart and soul of Rustic Farmhouse Decor at its core. This style is about romantic simplicity, a balance between old-fashioned charm and comfortable country living. It celebrates the idea that beauty lies in imperfection, history, and craftsmanship. It is not about creating a showroom perfect space, it is about telling a story through your home. Each item, from a tipped vase to a weathered chair, represents memories, nostalgia, and soul. In short, its elegance wrapped in warmth, a home that feels lived in, loved, and full of grace. Emotional atmosphere. A vintage farmhouse home always feels peaceful, with soft tones and gentle lighting, romantic, thanks to lace, florals, and antique accents. Inviting, because of its cozy textures and handmade touches, timeless, never trendy, always classic and enduring. It is a space that instantly makes guests feel welcome and relaxed. Signature features that define the look, east finishes and time-on beauty, distressed chippy paint on old furniture, patina on metals like rust iron or own brass, whitewashed or balanced wood surfaces, use vintage style wallpaper with delicate florals or tall prints. Mix of rustic and elegant, a rustic farmhouse table paired with a crystal candelier, an old trunk topped with lace runners, iron bed frames, dressed in soft shuffled linens. The contrast between chunked and refined is what creates magic in this style. Textures and layers. Fantastic farmhouse decor trips on layering textures to create depth and comfort. Soft layers like linen shawls, crochet towels, and floral cushions. Rough layers, whether wood, galvanized metal, or jute tracks. Delicate layers, lace curtains, or embroidered tablecloths. Mix Atlas tree textures in every room, on soft, on rough, and on elegant, to achieve the perfectly balanced farmhouse feel. Furniture styling secrets. Repurposed old furniture. A vintage dresser can become a bathroom vanity or an entryway console. Choose curved lines for chairs, mirrors, and tables with gentle curved shapes. Add femininity and flow. Keep proportion cozy. Avoid oversized modern pieces. Opt for intimate or loved furniture that fits naturally in smaller spaces. Balance windows with comfort. Sleep comfort sofas, soft rugs, and layered linens ensure beauty never sacrifices coziness. Accessory philosophy. Accessories in this decor are never just decorations, their memories and personality. Think stacks of old books tied with twine, passengers filled with wildflowers, hand-painted trays, animal pictures, or vintage things, framed botanical prints, or black and white family photos. Display your collections in groups of 3 or 5. Odd numbers feel more natural and visually pleasing. Connection with nature. Nature plays a huge role in the vintage farmhouse aesthetic. Bring the outdoors in through fresh blooms in vases or baskets, wicker planters or ceramic pots, natural wood furniture, light fabrics that let sunshine filter softly through the windows. This connection gives your home a fresh countryside tranquility that completes the farmhouse essence. The modern balance. Modern farmhouse homes often blend new and old, but vintage farmhouse decor stays authentically vintage inspired. Still, you can simply add modern comforts. Use soft LED lighting, modern appliances hidden in just a cabinetry. Use simple, clean lines mixed with edged finishes. Neutral backdrops that allow vintage items to shine. The soaps keep the look timeless, not outdated. The philosophy of perfectly imperfect. The most important idea behind this style is embracing imperfection. Scratches, stains, or faded paint are not flaws, they are marks of history. They remind us of craftsmanship, tradition, and time. Historical roots and cultural influence. The vintage farmhouse style evolved from European country living, particularly French, English, and American farmhouses of the late 19th and early 20th centuries. It reflects French farmhouse elegance with curved furniture, soft lines, and pastel tones. English cottage charm, like floral fabrics, antique teapots, and lace curtains. American farmhouse simplicity, chip-lamp walls, rustic wood furniture, and practical design. Over time, decorators began blending this traditional to create the vintage farmhouse look, a romantic countryside style with a refined vintage soul. Display philosophy. This style revolves around three beautiful ideas. Nostalgia. Every object has a story, whether it is a handmade town mirror, a tipped teacup, or a faded photograph. The speeches connects the past with the present. Simplicity. Spaces are uncluttered, comfortable, and relaxed. Function comes first, but beauty naturally follows. Grace in imperfection. Slight wear, chipped paint, or uneven edge add character. I think today's ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.